Hi and welcome everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete a comment on Parler. So let's go to Parler mobile application. As you can see, there's a post with one comment. Now let's open all of the comments. As you can see, there's a comment made by me, and to delete it you just have to click on this arrow icon in the top right corner of the comment itself, and from this list you have to choose remove comment. Okay, I guess we have to refresh. Yeah, as you can see, the comment is gone, and that's how you delete comments on Parler. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye and have a great day.